am letter C. C says K. C is for cake. K, K, cake. C is for car. K, K, car. C is for cap. K, K, cap. C is for cow. K, K, cow. C is for cup. K, K, cup. C is for candle. K, K, candle. C is for cat. K, K, cat. So kids, today we know the letter C, phonic sound K. I hope कि ये वीडियो सबको जरूर पसंद आई होगी. So please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.